Hey, well, my big bag of new bolts have come, because here's the old ones. You can see that they are well on a piss. So here's my new ones, and I'm going to press them in. So I got it all up ready, so let's give it a press. Job done. That was easy. Dinner! One down, 4 more to go, and then I can do the front ones then. And good news on the bushings. Powerflex let me down, couldn't find any, they couldn't do it, but a guy in Cardiff, he does classic cars, and he's getting me some bushes, so tidy, top man to him. So I'll carry on with the rest of these now, and yeah, go from here. I think we're in. There's 2. We're in. A little. You have to come over because of the rollback on the other side. Right. Let it drop. Let it drop. I've done this. The roll past too much like past. Pull your end around. That's it. Here. Right, I'm going to pull it in. Do it. Come way over me. You don't want to drop it, right? Yeah, grab it. That's a good one.